Stephen McCullagh, who killed his pregnant partner Natalie McNally at her home in County Armagh, has been jailed for at least 31 years for what the judge described as a brutal and frenzied attack. The 36-year-old had denied murdering Ms McNally in December 2022, but a jury found him guilty. Imposing sentence today, the judge said McCullagh had committed a cold-blooded and senseless murder, attacking Natalie McNally in the sanctuary of her own home.
Natalie McNally's family and friends hugged each other and cried after Stephen McCullagh was jailed for at least 31 years.
As my sons have already said on the day of the verdict, over the past 3.5 years, our family has went through unimaginable pain and grief. Today we do not celebrate the sentence handed down, as Bernard, my 3 boys and myself are serving a life sentence since the murder of our beloved Natalie.
Hey, and we're live.
Stephen McCullagh had claimed he was live streaming for 6 hours on YouTube when Natalie was murdered. In fact, he had tried to disguise himself and, as CCTV shows, he travelled by bus to Lurgan. He walked to Natalie's home where he murdered her in a prolonged, vicious assault, returning the following evening to find her body and call 999.
Is the patient breathing?
No! She's cold!
Okay. Listen, what's the address of the emergency, please?
The murder of Natalie McNally was particularly brutal. It was particularly shocking for many, many reasons. You know, this was a young lady in what was supposed to be the safety of her own home. She was 15 weeks pregnant with her unborn son. To have been found in the circumstances she was found in was absolutely chilling, even for an experienced police officer and for my team, who are very experienced.
McCullagh's alibi collapsed a month after the murder and he was arrested.
Stephen, you're under arrest for murder.
Detectives had discovered the gaming video had been pre-recorded days before the murder.
Proving the difference between a video recorded live and a video that's pre-recorded is quite difficult in terms of that video being on YouTube, and it really required the best and the brightest at the PSNI cybercrime unit to discern the difference between those. And once that expert evidence was presented to McCullagh in interview, he finally admitted in his final interview that the live stream was not live, it was fake, and at that point his entire case crumbled, really.
McCullagh was convicted of murder after a 5-week trial and sentenced today for the murder of Natalie McNally in the sanctuary of her own home. The judge said there was a significant level of planning in this killing, telling McCullagh it was cold-blooded, senseless and brutal. He said McCullagh made a calculated and successful attempt to prevent the birth of the baby, knowing that Natalie was pregnant. He attached a significant weight to that aggravating factor. He said McCullagh must serve at least 31 years behind bars before being considered eligible for parole. Diane Connor, RTE News in Belfast.